ganda pala dito. Hi everyone! Punta kami ngayon sa... Saan tayo? Sa mga lights. Maraming lights. Kalimutan kong pangalan. Enchanted Lights. In San Jose! Yay! Excited na si Bethany.
I'm not excited, Dada.
Okay. Excited na si Mama! Yay! Excited na si Mama? Yay! Okay. Excited na si Mama and Bethany. Tingnan mo ito, camera. May star, oh. Ito, oh. Enchant. Wow! Ang ganda pala dito. Wow, this is beautiful.
Good, guys.
Daming tao. Ganda ng isang tree doon, oh. Ayun, oh, ang taas. Here. Dito tayo. Big Bear. Picture? Okay, here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Oh, ganda rito, ano? Dito naman tayo sa left side. Exit. Tapos na. Sarado naman tayo. Ayun, meron naman dyan, oh. Secret naman. Oh, meron na naman dito. Diamond. Oh, so may heart naman dito. Mag-picture kami sa puso. Ayan o. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, come on. Dito muna tayo. Mag-enjoy muna. Upo muna kami dito. Si God first here. Looking at the tree. Ganda oh. Ang taas nito. Oh, ang ganda dyan. Oh my God. Ang ganda kasi. Oo. 1, 2. Okay, good. Bali. Doon tayo sa may ilaw naman, may tunnel naman doon. Wala, ang daming tao. Ayun ang entrance oh.
Which way did they go? Mom, stand there. Hi, friends.
Balik naman tayo. Ganda rito, ano? Smile, smile. Okay, sana tayo?
How did you guys get to Santa? I don't know.
Doon na next ito.
Christmas.
Oh, may snow. Bethany, snow. Merong snow. Merong snow. Giving us chocolates. Yay. Thank you.
Welcome. There you are.
Give us free chocolates. Tigas. We have to look for food because we're hungry. Ito barbecue. Ayan o. Dito na lang kayo mag-order kay gutom na. Madali lang maghanap. Marami ng bakante doon. Marami bakante doon. Madali maghanap.
Honey badger. It's a honey badger.
Hello there, friends. Happy holiday.
namasyal dito. Oh.
Tacos, acá, pastor, pollo, chorizo.
How much tacos? How much?
$4 each, tacos.
$4
Tacos, my
each.
friend.
Just two.
Do you have a to-go box?
3 pounds.
Steak, steak, yes. And then pork, the other one pork.
1 pork, this one.
Pork,
3 pounds.
Yeah. $4 lang.
And then pay
$4 lang.
$4 ang
At
isang isa.
8 pala. Tapos na kami manood ng mga lights. Have a good night.
Did a good video? Yeah.
Yeah, it's alright. See you next time. Goodbye. Ay, dito pala tayo.